Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a coffee pack for your face. First, let's quickly cover why coffee is great for your skin. Coffee grounds provide excellent exfoliation, gently removing dead skin cells for a smoother feel. The antioxidants present in coffee help protect your skin from daily environmental stressors. Plus, it can temporarily reduce puffiness and boost circulation, giving your complexion a refreshed and radiant look. Regular application may also lead to a brighter, more even skin tone over time. Now, let's gather what you'll need for this simple DIY face pack. You'll start with 2 tablespoons of finely ground coffee. Next, add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt or milk. This helps create a smooth paste and adds moisture. For an extra boost of hydration and soothing benefits, include 1/2 teaspoon of honey. Finally, grab a small mixing bowl and a spoon to combine everything thoroughly. These common kitchen items are all it takes to get started. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them up. In your small bowl, combine the coffee grounds, yogurt or milk, and honey. Stir well until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Now, apply this mixture evenly to your clean, dry face, making sure to avoid the sensitive areas around your eyes and mouth. Gently massage the pack into your skin using small, circular motions for about 30 seconds. This helps with exfoliation and stimulates blood flow. After applying the pack, let it work its magic. Allow the coffee face pack to sit on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the beneficial ingredients time to penetrate and nourish your skin. You can relax during this period. Once the time is up, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water, ensuring all coffee grounds and residue are completely removed. Finally, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel and follow up with your favorite moisturizer for a hydrated finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.